In this video, you'll learn how to add the Matchain Network to your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate the Matchain Network into your wallet for seamless transactions. To start, navigate to www.okx.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the OKX homepage with various options available for users. This is the correct screen to proceed with the next step. Next, you will need to log into your account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Look for the login or sign up buttons located prominently on the homepage. After clicking or login, enter your credentials and complete any verification steps required. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. After logging in, open the Google Chrome Web Store in a new tab. In the search bar, type OKX Wallet and press enter. The search results will display various extensions related to OKX Wallet. Click on the appropriate Add to Chrome button for the OKX Wallet extension. A confirmation dialog will appear asking for your permission to add the extension. Confirm this action to proceed. Once the OKX Wallet extension is added, locate the extension icon in the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. Click on this icon to open the OKX Wallet interface. You will see various options, including a button labeled Network. Click on this button to access the network settings. Now you will find a search bar within the network settings. Type Matchain into this search bar. As you type, you should see suggestions or results that include the Matchain Network. Select Matchain from the list that appears. This action will add the Matchain Network to your OKX wallet, allowing you to transact on this network. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.